Makakaharap sa hot seat, eto na siya.
Ako po si Pia Marie M. Tupas. I'm 22 years old and I am a fundraiser by profession. Nung bata ako, I was very studious. Doon lang ako nag-focus. Tapos, nung naging college na ako, I went into sports. Naging ROTC ako. And then, in-improve ko pa yung skill ko in basketball, volleyball. Ang reason kung ba't ako nag-audition sa Wants to be a Millionaire ay para tumulong sa family ko. 5 kami magkakapatid and my parents have worked hard para makapag-aral kami lahat. And I want to give back to them. Thank you, Bossing, for the opportunity and I hope we do this. Thank you and see you there.
Mga kapatid, please welcome Pia Marie Tupas. Lakad pa lang. Alam mo na, hi Pia, good evening.
Hello po.
Tsura pa lang eh. Dating pa lang eh, alam mo nang matalino at pwedeng maging milyonaryo. Okay? Ayan ang hot seat.
Thank you.
22 years old si Pia, taga Bangkal, Makati, at isang Operations Support Associate. Ha? Ganda, no? Ano yun?
Ako po, ay nagtatrabaho sa fundraising office. So, operations po ako, tumutulong po ako gumawa ng events, activities para makapag-raise ng funds para sa school. So, pwede pong scholarship, research, infrastructure. So, yun po.
Ano naman ang plano mo sa mga winnings mo?
Kung mananalo po ako, gusto ko po mag-invest sa business with my sister na culinary arts major po.
Kasama mo yung sister mo ngayon?
Yes po. Andito po sila. My
Ayan.
mom,
Si Mami.
Ellie, and my sister Liza.
Hi, Mami. Hi, sister. Good
Hi
evening.
po. Good evening, boss.
Welcome sa Wants to be a Millionaire. Okay, Pia. All the best sa'yo.
Thank you po.
At bago mo maglaro, aling money tree ang pipiliin mo? Money tree 1 or 2?
Money 3-1 po, bossing.
2 safe havens, 3 lifelines.
Yes.
Okay? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's play Who Wants to be a Millionaire? Unang tanong for 10,000 pesos. Ano ang pinambabalot sa katawan kapag malamig ang panahon? A. Damot. B. Kumot. C. Kamot. D. Lumot.
B, kumot.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, bossing. That's my final answer.
Subukan mo kung balot ng lumot. Mas mainit. Ano, madulas pa. Kumot is correct. Unang safe haven question for 20,000 pesos na assured. Here's a question. Aling sauce o condiment ang kulay pula? A. Ketchup. B. Mayonnaise. C. Mustard. D. Butter.
The answer po is A, ketchup.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, that's my final answer.
Ketchup is correct. Assured 20,000 pesos. For 35,000 pesos, question number 3. Ang glacier ay binubuo ng alin? A. Sand. B. Rock. C. Ice. D. Mud.
The answer po is C, ice.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, bossing. That's my final answer.
Ice is correct. For 50,000 pesos. Ano ang isa pang tawag sa keg na karaniwang nilalagyan ng beer? A. bottle. B, shot. C, pint. D, barrel.
I've seen a beer keg before po. It's this big. So, most likely it's a barrel. That's D. I think po it's D, barrel.
Yun na ba ang sagot mo?
D, barrel.
Is that your final answer?
Yes po, final answer.
Parang lumalalim yung hinga mo. Relax ka muna. Hanggang saan kaya aabot ang hilinga ni Pia? Let's find out when we return. Ito ang Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. We're back for more knowledge and fun on your favorite Sunday game show on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. And don't forget to follow and like our Facebook page, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire Philippines. And on Instagram and Twitter, please use the hashtag #MillioNaire. Before the break, nakaipon na si Pia ng 35,000 pesos. Ito kaya'y madagdagan? Ito ang tanong, ano isa pang tawag sa keg na karaniwang nilalagyan ng beer? Bottle, shot, pint, barrel. Ang isinagot ni Pia ay letter D, barrel. Barrel is correct. Gusto mo bang mag-jogging-jogging muna? Para mawala ang kaba, para ma-relax. Okay? Breathe in.
Yes.
Breathe out. For 70,000 pesos, question number 5. Saang language nagmula ang salitang Uber? A, French. B, German. C, Italian. D, Dutch.
I don't think it's Italian. I don't think it's French also. Uber. It's most likely German. Pero hindi ko po alam kung willing ako mag-risk na German without trying Dutch. I think po it's B, German.
Di na yung sagot mo?
Yes po, B, German.
Kasi you think eh. So you think that is your final answer?
Sige po, let's try B, German.
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer.
German! Bakit German? Ba't di ka gumamit ng lifeline? German! Correct! Good job!
Thank you.
All right then. For 100,000 pesos. Sa anong ethnic group inuugnay ang sayaw na singkil? A, Bontok. B, Mangyan. C, Maranao. D, Tinggian.
Bossing, I think po I'd like to use a lifeline.
I'm sure. What lifeline ang gusto mong gamitin?
Yung switch po.
Switch. Papalitan ng computer ang tanong. Wala ka ba idea? Katuwa na lang.
A, Bontok.
Bontok. Good decision. Bontok is not the correct answer. The correct answer is letter C, Maranao.
Okay.
Ito ngayon ang ipapalit ng computer for 100,000 pesos. Ano ang hito sa English? A. Dogfish. B. Cowfish. C. Catfish. D. Lionfish.
Tingin ko po it's C, catfish. Just because of the whiskers.
Ganun? Mahaba.
Parang ganun.
Hindi, buntot na yun din. What's your answer?
C, catfish.
Is that your final answer?
Yes po, final answer.
Catfish is correct. Question number 7 para sa assured the 150,000 pesos. Ano ang pinag-aaralan sa herpetology? A. Amphibians and reptiles. B. Children's diseases. C. Animals with feathers. D. Water plants.
Plants would be botany. Animals with feathers, that would be birds. So that's ornithology. Children's disease could be pathology. So by elimination, looks like it's A, amphibians and reptiles.
Anong sagot mo?
A po, amphibians and reptiles.
Is that your final answer?
Yes po, final answer.
Amphibians and reptiles ang pinag-aaralan sa herpetology. That's correct for 150,000 pesos. Okay, dalawa ka pa lifeline, Pia. Here's a question for 250,000 pesos. Anong bahagi ng Malaysian Airlines Flight 370 ang natagpuan sa Reunion Island noong July 2015? A. Rudder. B. Black box. C. Landing gear. D. Flaperon.
No clue po. Magla-lifeline na lang po ako.
Anong lifeline ang gusto mong gamitin?
Call a friend po.
Phone a friend.
Phone a friend po.
Tignan natin. Silipin natin yung mga friends mong pwede nating tawagan. Si Eileen Beltrano. Best friend. Si Caris Santos, kaibigan, at si Uncle Arthur Manglikmot. Sino sa kanilang tingin mong mahilig sa, sa current events?
Sige po, si Caris na lang.
Si Caris.
Hello?
Hello, is this Caris?
Yes.
Caris, the Vic Soto of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Kasama ko yung friend mo, si Pia, gusto niya magpatulong sa isang tanong na nagkakahalaga ng 250,000 pesos.
Okay.
And siya magbabasa ng tanong at yung mga possible answers. Sana matulungan mo siya, ha?
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds. Wait lang. Sabi ko si Caris, yung 30 seconds. Go.
Car? Anong part ng Malaysian Airlines Flight 370 yung matatagpuan sa Reunion Island? A. Rudder. B. Black box. C. Landing gear. D. Flaperon.
Ulit yung question?
Anong bahagi ng Malaysian Airlines Flight 370 matatagpuan sa Reunion Island? A. Rudder, B. Black Box, C. Landing Gear, D. Flaperon. Reunion Island. Okay.
Hindi nakapag-isip.
Okay, so hindi ko po talaga alam.
Wala namang mawawala sa'yo. Sigurado na yung 150,000. Mas maganda sana kung 250,000.
Sige po, mag-lifeline na lang po ako.
Double dip.
Yes.
Total, assured na naman yung 150,000 mo. For 250,000 pesos. Ano una mong sagot?
C. Landing gear.
Is that your final answer?
Yes po. That's my final answer.
Landing gear is wrong. This is your last chance, Pia. What's your second answer? Pag-isipan mo mabuti.
I'm not really sure po kasi kung ano yung black box or flaperon. No clue. The flaperon, baka yun yung flap sa ano? Sa wings. So, pwede din pong flaperon.
What's your second answer?
I think it's D, flaperon.
Is that your final answer?
Yes po. That's my final answer.
Natagpuan kaya ni Pia ang tamang sagot? O, crash landing na. Stay tuned for more excitement dito lang sa Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Who wants to be a millionaire?
Non-stop excitement ang inyong makikita dito sa bossing ng mga game shows ang Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Si Pia is slowly inching in towards 2 million pesos. Tuloy pa ba ang kanyang pag-angat? Ito yung naiwan natin tanong, anong bahagi ng Malaysian Airlines Flight 370 ang natagpuan sa Reunion Island noong July 2015? Rudder, black box, landing gear, flaperon. Gumamit siya ng dalawang lifeline. Yung una, yung phone a friend, walang nangyari. At ito, yung double dip. Ang unang sagot niya ay landing gear, mali. Ang pangalawang sagot niya ay letter D, flaperon. Yung una, mali. Yung pangalawa, tama. Flaperon, 250,000. Wala ka ng lifeline? Next question for 400,000 pesos. Sino ang nagsulat ng librong The 5 Love Languages? A. John Kilroy. B. Gary Chapman. C. Jake Johnson. D. Irvin Goodwill.
Tingin ko po si John Kilroy. But that's just really guessing po.
Reminder lang, Pia, meron ka ng 250,000 pesos sa iyong money tree. Pag tama, magiging 400,000. Pag mali, babalik ka sa 150,000. That's a difference of 100,000 pesos.
Never ko pa po na-encounter yung book na to. And it's a book talaga. I can only guess po. I think it's John Kilroy. A.
Sabi mo nga, you can only make a guess. Sinabing guess, hindi sigurado, di ba? Ito, siguradong 250,000 pesos. You can take the check and walk away with 250,000 pesos. Pero kung tiwala ka naman sa guess mo, pwede ka sumagot for 400,000 pesos.
Kasi po, sa totoo lang, wala po talaga akong idea kung sino. And as much as I want to proceed, I also wanna be safe din po.
With 250,000.
Yes.
So, anong desisyon mo?
I think I'll take the check po for 250,000.
Is that your final answer?
Yes po.
Yo! 250,000. Hindi ko pa na-encounter Five Love
No.
Languages, the book. Words of affirmation. Wow.
Yan.
Napag-aralan ko ito.
Ayan.
Acts of service. Uy. Giving gifts. Quality time. Physical touch. At ang sumulat, sa tingin mo ay si
John Kilroy po.
John Kilroy. Asawa ni John Kilroy. No. Buti na lang. That is not the correct answer. The correct answer is letter B. Gary Chapman. Gary. Okay. 250,000 pesos. Sure, makakatulong sa mga business na iniisip ninyo. Okay?
Before I leave po, gusto ko po sana magpa-autograph for my lola.
For your lola. Alam ko na yan. Ito, yung coffee table book ng Itbulaga. Sa lola mo to.
Gusto niya daw page 16 kayo mag-sign.
Talagang may page pa.
Tapos may letter po siya para sa inyo.
Dear Bossing, mukha mo chup-chup. Oh? Dito ako pipirma.
Ako, shit.
Sa manager. Payat ko na. Kailan ba ako tumaba? Okay. Kamusta mo ako sa lola mo, ha? Congratulations,
Thank you.
Pia. Good luck. Lola Peli. Babasahin ko pala. Sige, mamaya na lang. Lola Peli, thank you, ha? More surprises next week as we search for more billionaires. Ako po si Vic Soto. See you next Sunday dito sa paboritong game show ng mundo, ang Who Wants to Be a Billionaire.